your Simply Accounting document has been set up, you should receive the following message on your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully created your company. And then you can click on Close. It is asking us to be patient and please wait as it opens up Simply Accounting. Here we go. You can just click on OK and click on OK too. And I'm going to get you to close the Getting Started box as well. Alright, hopefully you can see the entire screen, but I don't think you can, so I'm going to have to resize this for us. I'm going to stop the video for a moment. There we go. Hopefully that is going to work. What I would like you to do is we need to click on Company on the left-hand side of your screen. And then we're going to click on the Accountant's Tasks Chart of Accounts. Okay, so just like when we created a manual chart of accounts for our companies, we are going to do that on Simply Accounting as well. First thing that we have to do is we need to click on Create, which is the fourth icon from the left. It looks like a little brown book. You're going to click on that, and it'll ask for the chart of accounts records is what will come up. We need to put in group headings, and the group headings are the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 that we have been dealing with. Okay, so we have 1,000, and if you recall, 1,000 accounts are our assets. So we're going to type assets in all capital letters. Then we're going to click on group heading, and then create another. And we're going to do the same with 2,000, which are our liabilities. Click on group heading and click on create another. Okay, 3,000 was our capital account. Oops, there we go. Click on group heading. 4,000 was our revenue accounts, or how we earned our money. We need to include that even though we're not going to be doing them right away. Create another. 5,000 were our expenses when we put things into our T accounts. Click on group heading and click on create another. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in our group totals. Okay, and our group totals are going to be the very last possible number in that group of accounts. So for assets, our very last number that we could have is 1999. And then we're going to type total assets and click on group total. We're going to do the same for our liabilities, so $29.99, and type in total liabilities and click on group total. Create another. $39.99 total capital. Create another. $49.99 total revenue. Group total. Create another. And $59.99. Total expenses. And click on group total. And click on create another. Now we're ready to enter in our actual account names that we're going to have for our new Western company. I'm just going to find it for us. When we're doing the new Western company, remember we numbered all of our account names 1100, 1200, 1300. We're going to do that same similar thing today when we enter it onto the computer. Okay, so our first asset account is going to be 1100 and the account name is going to be bank. These do not need to be in all capital letters. Okay, and we should leave it as the default group account. Click on another. 1200 is one of our accounts receivable. Tasty beverages. And click on create another. 1300 is another one. I'm just going to stop the video for a moment while I type in the remainder of the assets. Alright, 1900 building is my last asset. I'm now going to enter in our liabilities. Our liabilities start with the number 2. So our first liability will be 2100 and the account name is Accounts Payable, Household Finance Company. And I'm going to click on create another. 2200 is a general trading company. $2,300 is Lightning Electronics. Two more. 2,400 is Bank Loan. 2,500 Mortgage Payable. Click on create another. Then we're going to enter in our capital account. Okay, and our capital account starts with 3. So 3,100, and the name of the owner is Guy Albrecht Capital. Okay, so we're going to click on create another. We're done entering our chart of accounts for today, so we're going to close that. And you should see this yellow page on your screen that has the headings, and then there's a whole bunch of group accounts, which stands for the G, and then there's a total. Okay, we can close that at the moment as well.